So guys, we're now getting going again in Barcelona. Our goal for today is the Punta de Funga, which looks like a really interesting beach that I want to check out. Because for now the goal is to go up the Mediterranean Sea. One thing must be said about Barcelona, it's super hot here. It's over 30 degrees. We're currently having a heat wave. This heat wave will be still here, still in Spain where we drive for the next 7 days. So I maybe consider doing a break on one day. Because simply just wearing all this gear is extremely uncomfortable. Because it's like so hot, like I barely can barely manage it in short pants and a tank top, and with the motorcycle gear on, with the long pants, with the protective gear, with the jacket, it's really hard. It's really hard to stay all gear all the time at the moment. One viewer wrote in the comments that I could make my shirt wet to better stand the heat, and I think that's quite a good idea, and later on I will definitely do that. I hope after the 7 days it becomes better. So, I just talked to a lady at the gas station and she recommended me some places to visit in Morocco, which was really nice of her. And also she told me that my Spanish is not that shit, which is probably kind of a lie, but I will improve it in the future. Also, still my camera doesn't really work, the black GoPro. I thought the problem would be due to an SD card, but apparently it's something else, and I still have to figure it out. But I'm also really happy that we're getting closer to Morocco now. I made the plan to go swimming today, and I can't wait, because that will be so amazing on this hot weather to have a little bit of a swim. I came across here this little fisherman's village. It's really nice to look at. Oh, it all smells like dead sea plants here. So my goal is to go onto this other side of land that you can see over there, right there, and go swimming there. At first I wanted to have like a little video vlog here and explore this village more, but then there were people everywhere that were looking at me funny. So I decided against that. I'll be having a lovely route right next to the water here. I'm curious if that is maybe even dry water on the other side here. A lot of potholes, but nothing that we couldn't handle. Punta de Farga. Well, we went to the playa, the beach, but Punta de Farga is our original goal. Ooh, palm trees. Let's drive into this even when we're not supposed to. The swimming was really amazing. That was so refreshing. It's already quite late, it's already roughly 7, and at some point I have to build my tent and still have to do some shopping. Oh shit, guys, I just drove over a huge pothole and lost my tripod and something else, and I hope it's not too bad. Okay, this is the upper part of the tripod. Shit like this. I took a wrong turn, need to go back this way because the road was so badly blocked. Okay, over there we have that part. That was the top. And that was the main thing. Can we maybe... I mean, the thing is probably pretty fucked, but I will try my best to make it work again. When it becomes solid. Because to be honest, this part is a bitch to replace. This is probably the biggest problem, this little fucker. Because I don't have a spare, and those ones are hard to come by. But it's completely gone. Fuck. Shit. It was quite a huge pothole I didn't see, and... Okay, but we need to get going, because we need gasoline, and we need food, and we need shelter, and it's late, so let's go. I mean, finding a new tripod should be absolutely doable, but finding the adapter that you can put the GoPro on it, that seems like a bigger challenge. I hope that the local electronics store kind of thing will have it. I will have to find that electronics store the day after tomorrow anyway, because I need new SD cards. So I need to do one day without the tripod.